quick video here on how to change out the mic cable for a Yaesu MH48 microphone. Pretty simple process. You can get a replacement part here. Just get the cable, and they sell a lot of them with it where it's already got the connections built in. Everything's ready to go. This is about $7, I think. And pretty simple to do. We just turn it over. Take each one of these screws out. That comes out with the little hanging knob. Set that aside. Take these two. And they are different lengths, so do be careful to keep them separate. The two at the bottom are slightly shorter than the one on top, and they have a different, slightly different end on them as well. Okay, and then when you pull it apart, be careful as you pull this part. It likes to stick in one side, and this time it's going to actually stay. You want it to stay on the bottom, or you can actually kind of get it part way apart, and you can start to release it from both. And as you take that, you want the bottom to come. If you take the top, you're going to end up yanking on stuff. So you want it to stay on the front part of the microphone there. And once you have this, just kind of pull it out, reach in here and give this a pinch and wiggle it out. It comes right out. There's no nothing, no clips or anything. It's just press fit in. And we'll set that aside. And there went a little rubber button. Oh no, it was part of the the little part there actually. So we're okay. But do be careful, because there are some parts in here that need to go in. If that comes out, it goes right there. And just kind of fits in here against the switch there. Then we'll take our new part. And we will fit it on here. Goes that way with the little part that sticks out. It's only going to go in one way. You'll figure it out. Just make sure that's in there all the way. Push it down tight. Be careful that part of the board isn't actually supported, I'm noticing, and so don't get too wild pushing it in, but it looks seated in there. And just take this and press it down. Make sure that we're coming out of or staying out of the screw holes there. Take our top. We'll go back in. Again, make sure your push to talk button is pushed on or is in the proper place. Fit it all together. And go ahead and test the buttons on the top and make sure they're seated and on top of their corresponding part. And you push to talk, you should hear it clicking. Then lay it down. You might kind of have to hold it. This one's trying to come open. But there's also in this little hanger, there's a little pin that corresponds with any of the holes down there. It doesn't really matter. You just got to get it in one of them. And seat it down. Take your longer screw. Not much longer, but it is slightly longer. Screw it down. Make sure that's all seated in. Put your other two in. Careful not to cross thread them. That one I just tried to cross thread a little. I had to back it up. And that one's trying to, so I'm going to go back. There it goes. It goes in pretty smoothly. It's not biting new plastic. It's already got the threads there. So, all right. And now your mic cable should be all fixed up. No more ugly tears and rips and floppy cables. Thanks for watching.